Steel wool and copper wool are simple and effective materials for sealing gaps to keep rodents out. Use galvanized steel wool for wall voids and entry points because the coarse metal fibers irritate and block rodents from chewing through. When installing, wear gloves and press the wool tightly into the gap with a small screwdriver or awl so there are no loose pockets that mice can push past. After packing the metal fibers, apply a bead of exterior-grade silicone caulk or an expanding latex-based foam specifically rated for pest exclusion over the wool to hold it in place and seal around the perimeter. The wool provides the chew-resistant core while the caulk or foam provides weatherproofing and a finish barrier. For areas near electrical wiring or moisture-sensitive finishes, use copper wool because it resists corrosion and will not stain paint or metal surfaces as galvanized steel can over time. For seams larger than 1 inch, use a combination of coarse metal wool and a backer material such as a tightly packed copper mesh or sheet metal strip before caulking so the filler has solid backing. Check treated gaps periodically every 6 to 12 months and replace any wool that has compressed, rusted, or been disturbed. And, if you are sealing large or structural penetrations, consult a professional to ensure fire stopping and building code requirements are met. A common mistake is stuffing wool loosely, which lets rodents bypass the material, so always pack fibers densely and then seal them with caulk or foam. Another issue is using only foam without a metal core because expanding foam alone can be chewed through, so pair foam with steel or copper wool for lasting protection. People sometimes use plain steel wool near electrical contacts and let it rust or cause staining. Avoid that by choosing copper wool in those spots or by isolating galvanized wool with a non-conductive barrier before sealing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and supplies ideas for DIY sealing projects like this, and we offer a discussion community where members share experiences, photos, and practical tips on materials and methods. We list ways contractors can find work through the site and let them connect with interested homeowners and community threads.